Here I am with Ruby and Kobe. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm dog sitting these two beauties. Yeah. And this is where we are. Absolutely spectacular. So this is just down the road from where I'm house sitting, Fiji Beach, and it's the amazing view from the dog park. So how blessed are we? How grateful I feel. And you know, this morning I just wanted to take a moment to remind each and every one of you that life is so fleeting, and sometimes the best reminder is when we look on our Facebook and the memories that come up each day of, 4 years, 12 years, and how quickly that time goes. Or perhaps you look at your children and how quickly they're growing. We realize that time is so precious. For me, I have been so blessed to be able to have this time to step away from the treadmill, step away from the rat race, having a lifestyle where I had 4 jobs. I was doing some PT online work, I was doing a boot camp, I was working for Bond University, I was working for Woolworths in the evenings, and I was running a superhost Airbnb business. And it made me really reflect and think about what's important in my life. I know that my family, my children, my friends, my health are the number one priorities. Yeah, we all need money to live, but it's not everything. And I've really become so consciously aware of that over the last 6 months of traveling and dog sitting and these beautiful fur babies that are just so loyal and so unconditionally loving. And they have a very simple life, and yet they're happy and content. And we have so much to learn from dogs, but also just from stopping and just being, and being happy, just being. And not constantly trying to force something else that we need to achieve or succeed in, but just actually stopping, looking at the beautiful nature around us, smelling the roses, listening to the birds, stopping and interacting with people, smiling at them on your walk. That's really what quality of life is all about. I don't think it's about having the latest cars, the latest phones. I think it's about experiences. If you think for a moment about how often you reflect on and have a fond memory of your car that you upgraded, or the phone, the new phone that you got, the new iPhone, or even maybe the house that you bought. Just compare that to the memories, precious moments that you reflect on of holidays, dinners with your children, dinners with your family, with your friends, nights out, weekends, escaping away, camping, holidaying, graduations, formals, weddings, all those precious moments in our lives that we hold so dear in our heart. Those are the things that are important. Those are the things that are important to me anyway. So enjoy the view and your surroundings.